Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Forever. I am fine and I hope that you will be all okay and fit from health by the grace of God and your loved ones are safe and happy. Dear viewers, I am here again with another outstanding fantastic video. I am super excited to share more about my raincoats, rainwear dresses collections with you. Dear viewers, if you want to see much more collections about fashion, raincoats, rainwear dresses, leather dresses, latex leather dresses, hunter boots, rain boots, leather boots, satin silk dresses, satin silk night suits, and much more collections of raincoats, you can see on my YouTube channel Fashion Forever and such videos about your own choice. You guys, my video is to be end. Goodbye till the next attractive video. God bless you. Be careful.